Hi, today I'm ready for VIVO Y22s and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's launch the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter Green Apple Keyboard. And now we should get this application, that's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Just after that, we should tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings, and here near Green Apple Keyboard, tap once on the switcher, then just twice to OK and go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to Green Apple Keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's check the keyboard and we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.